In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash Borrow Limit. Start by opening your GCash app. If you're wondering why your G-loan or gcredit limit seems low or hasn't increased, it's because GCash calculates your borrow limit automatically based on your activity and credit behavior within the app. Think of it as a trust score that grows when you use GCash regularly and responsibly. First, make sure your account is fully verified. A verified account signals that you're a real, reliable user, and that's the foundation for any limit increase. If you're not fully verified, your limit may stay low or not appear at all. Next, keep your wallet active with consistent, everyday usage. Cash in regularly and use GCash for real transactions, not just occasional top-ups. Pay your bills through the app, buy load, and make purchases with partner merchants. Frequent, legitimate transactions show healthy activity, which helps the system see you as a dependable customer. Most importantly, pay on time, every single time. If you have an existing G-loan or gcredit balance, always pay on, or before the due date. Timely payments are the strongest signal that you can handle a higher limit. Even one missed or late payment can reduce your limit or pause future increases, so treat due dates as non-negotiable. If it helps, set reminders on your phone or calendar so you never miss a payment window. If you don't currently have an active loan or gcredit balance, keep using the app for bills and purchases to build history. Responsible usage over time matters. The system looks for patterns, so steady, consistent activity is better than sudden bursts followed by long periods of inactivity. Avoid behaviors that could flag risk. Don't let your dues linger past the due date, and don't depend on last-minute payments. Keep your wallet moving with regular cash-ins and transactions. This ongoing activity supports your credit standing and helps the algorithm recognize improvement. Be patient as these changes take effect. Increases don't happen instantly. They reflect your ongoing performance. As you continue using GCash frequently, stay verified, and pay all obligations early or on time, your borrow limit can adjust upward over time. To recap the approach, open GCash, ensure your account is fully verified, use the app consistently for cash-ins, bills, and purchases, and always repay G-loan or gcredit before or on the due date. Keep your wallet active, avoid missed payments, and give the system time to reflect your improved behavior. With steady, responsible usage, your GCash borrow limit has a strong chance to grow.